A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is empathy, the guiding force of righteousness. Ladies and gentlemen, in an age where speed eclipses reflection and information outpaces understanding, empathy endures as the silent light that keeps humanity humane. It is the invisible thread through which conscience speaks to consciousness. A resonance that transforms awareness into righteousness. Empathy is not emotion alone. It is the alignment of mind, heart, and spirit, the force that guides thought toward fairness, action toward balance, and life toward harmony with all that lives. Modern science confirms what ancient seers intuited. Within the human brain, mirror neurons ignite not only when one acts, but when one perceives another's joy or pain. The master creator designed humanity not for isolation but for resonance, a shared circuitry of awareness. Empathy, therefore, is not learned from the world. It is awakened from within. Yet the modern mind, overwhelmed by stimulation, often loses touch with this inner rhythm. When energy within is scattered, empathy dims. Emotional fatigue and endless noise deplete the current that sustains empathy. Just as light cannot radiate without power, empathy cannot radiate without inner vitality. The secret lies in regenerating that inner current through coherence, communion, and conscious alignment with the higher intelligence that orders the cosmos. Science calls it neurocoherence, the synchronization of brain, heart, and breath. Wisdom calls it harmony with the divine cosmic intelligence. When thought aligns with breath and breath with awareness, empathy turns luminous, steady, radiant, self-renewing. In that resonance, righteousness finds its compass. Empathy reveals itself not through speech but through presence, in attentive silence, in the patience of listening, in the absence of judgment. Time seems to slow, space seems to soften, and understanding becomes effortless. This is not passive sympathy. It is active perception, a gentle participation in another's inner world while remaining centered in one's own. To cultivate empathy is to return to the original rhythm of humanity. It can be strengthened through stillness of mind, where breath and awareness meet, restoring the circuitry of calm perception. Heart coherence, where feeling and thought ceases to compete and begin to cooperate. Mindful attention, where listening replaces reaction, and self-regeneration through rest, reflection, and service, ensuring that empathy flows outward from abundance, not exhaustion. Every act of genuine understanding builds a bridge between the finite and the infinite. Empathy thus becomes more than moral virtue. It becomes a spiritual technology, reconnecting individual consciousness with the universal design. What's the way forward? The way forward is not to teach empathy as emotion, but to live it as energy. Homes, classrooms, and institutions must recognize that righteousness cannot be decreed. It must be cultivated through awareness. Education should nurture emotional intelligence as deeply as intellect, for without empathy, reason loses direction. When the inner voltage of empathy is strong, morality becomes effortless. It is the most renewable energy on earth, capable of healing relationships, restoring trust, and renewing civilization's moral breath. In every age of division, empathy stands as the quiet lighthouse, guiding hearts back to balance, reminding the world of its sheer divine design. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, empathy is the rhythm of righteousness, a frequency that links human consciousness to the cosmic order. It unites science and spirit, logic and love, the measurable and the mystical. When empathy radiates from inner coherence, righteousness ceases to be rule and become revelation. As Lord Krishna declares in the revered Bhagavad Gita, he who sees himself in all beings and all beings in himself never loses the path of righteousness. In that vision lies the eternal truth that empathy is not merely the guide to righteousness, but the reflection of the divine itself, ever radiant, ever timeless, ever one. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.